view. So where am I? This is White Tor, and we'll turn the camera around. Over there is the back of Cox Tor. This one is Rouge Tor. This one is Great Mist Tor. Not sure if you can see it in the distance. There is the mast at Princetown. There's some healthy looking frog spawn. Look at this. Okay, I'm trying to find a Bronze Age settlement. I came across it about a year ago by pure chance, and I'm trying to find it again today. Just check the map, and I think it's the way down in the valley over there. So fingers crossed, I'll find it soon. No, it ain't here. It's not where I thought it was on the map. So I need to check the map again. Back in a minute. Having to walk a bit. Why? Look. It's like a marsh. So just came from that Tor, which is White Tor. Now heading to that Tor, which is Great Mist Tor. Oh, it's getting worse now, look. Oh, crikey. Just went right down deep. That was a deep one. Almost lost one leg. Oh crikey, what's this? Standing in the centre of a huge stone circle. I don't think you'll see it on the video, but it's massive.